Today, the appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is Baladev. Balarāma means Guru. Balarāma represents Guru. If we want to understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if we want to understand Krishna, then we must take shelter of Balarāma. Kaya Mahatma Balahini means without the mercy of Balarāma, you cannot understand, you cannot realize your spiritual identity. So that Balarāma comes as Nityananda Prabhu. Balarāma Hoira Nityananda. Therefore, we must take shelter of Balarāma. That is, his song has been sung by Nityananda Thakur, Nitai Pada Kamala Pati Chandra Susi. If you take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get peace. See, if we want actually peace of mind, if we actually want to be free from this material fatigueness, then we must take the shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu is the strength, spiritual strength, and without spiritual strength, you cannot approach Krishna first. So we must have spiritual strength. That source of spiritual strength is Balarāma. Krishna's next manifestation, Prakash Vishra. Krishna is manifesting himself through Balarāma. So we have to take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Nitai Pada Kamala, Koti Chandra Je Chhavaya Jagat. The whole world is suffering, but if you want peace, then you take the shelter of Nityananda. Nitya means always, Ananda means pleasure. Therefore, if you have no connection with Nityananda Prabhu, se sambandha nahi jan. Vritha janma kare. It's simply wasting time. Vritha means useless. Uselessly is wasting time. So, if you do not become a dog of Nityananda Prabhu, Vaishnava or Guru, there is no question of happiness. If we take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get the enlightenment. Therefore, Nityananda Thakur advises that today is Nityananda Prabhu's Abhibhav, appearance day. Let us at least remember today Nitai Pada Kamala. That is one thing. Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivaka Nitya. The reality is Nitai Charana, and anyone who is servant of Nitai, so Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivaka Nitya. One who has become the dog of Nityananda Prabhu, he gets his eternal life. We are eternal, but under misconception of material identification, we are under the subjugation of Maya. But therefore, we should always expect to be under the shelter of Nitai Pada Kamala. Say here, in this material world, one may be the best of the human being, very exalted position, but everyone is looking unhappy. Only Nityananda can make me happy. Otherwise not possible. So, today is Nityananda Prabhu's appearance day. We shall always pray, Nityananda Prabhu, kindly keep me under your shelter, so that I am very dukhi, I am very unhappy. Under the shelter of your lotus feet, I shall be happy. And that is real happiness. Thank you.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.